Hey YouTube, this is Rod from Evo Garage. I thought I'd do a quick little how-to and review on the Depo LED Sidemarkers for the Evo 10. I'm just going to take the stock ones out and replace them with the Depo brand that are a smoke LED side marker. So first what you want to do is just put some tape here like in front of it. This will just kind of protect the paint. And then just take like a screwdriver and you're gonna wanna push in and back to pop out the side marker there. And it's just, this has a normal connector here. You'll pop that out. The Depo LED smoked LED side marker looks like this. You'll just clip this in. And when you put this back in, you're going to want to put it in from the back first, and then you're going to push back and then in, and then it just kind of snaps in. And so this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. So I'll put a link in the description below. These side markers were about $50 for the pair. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Alright, see ya.